Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily make Etsy shop cover for free in Canva. So let's start. All you have to do is register on Canva. You will have a link in the description. Then go in home and let's create a design, and right here Etsy. And you'll here Etsy shop cover. Click on it. And right away, straight away, you will have a template here that you can use. What I really recommend that if you have your personal products, if you have like some good products, choose one of the templates, use the text there and put your own product behind it. Okay, let's start. Let's say that I'm going to have this yoga wear and I'm going to rename this yoga wear to the Marcus Wear and marcuswear.net. And now I'm going to change the photo of something completely different. I will go to more, to pixels. Nope. And I don't know. Let's say that I'm going some things for musicians. So I'm just going to make it bigger. And voila. Now I will just change the font to white. And then what I would do is to make it like this, but let's make it again bigger, even more bigger. Okay. And now I will just change the white color and voila, here we got it. Really easy, really good. And I recommend it to doing this. So find a template, find a good text, which you like the font, and put the photo behind it. You see it's all this baby wear that you would paste a photo of a baby. By the way, you will see somewhere my top 10 tips for beginners on Canva that you can use if you like. So definitely watch that. And thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya.